Hey guys, welcome to another Jamaican video, a Jamaican living in Germany. First of all, I have to apologize for not posting for the last 2 weeks. The first of the last 2 weeks, I don't even know how to say that in English. But anyways, like 2 weeks ago, I wasn't able to post a video because I was busy working on this new concept, and that's exactly what this video is about. And last week, I got sick. I had problems with my throat. My voice was almost gone and it sounded really bad. I'm back and I have really big news to tell you about some developments for the channel. Part of the concept is also for you guys as well, not just for me and what I want to do, but also that you guys enjoy the direction that I'm going to take this channel. For the last couple of years and months, I've been thinking about a channel concept. I've been thinking about exactly what it is that I want to do on my YouTube channel, where I want to take it, what's the concept, because I could never really just say in one sentence what is it exactly that I do on YouTube. Even the old channel banner, we just said Oshando Johnson travel vlogs and tips or tricks, I think it's there. I wanted to change the channel banner, but then I couldn't change a banner because I really didn't have a good way to put the concept of the channel together. When I moved to Germany, the plan was to document my journey in Germany. I kind of started with one video, and then after that it was just like travel videos. Traveling was, I thought, more exciting and it would be something that people would be more interested in. It wasn't until 2020 that I finally started making videos about life in Germany. And the main reason for that, to be honest, was because of Corona. Because then I wasn't able to travel, and then I was like, okay, I can't travel now, so maybe it's a good time to finally just focus on Germany because I couldn't go anywhere else. The reception of those videos, I mean the number of views, the comments on those videos, and it amazed me actually, because I was like, okay, I didn't expect this. Jamaican tales was more interesting for a lot of people for different reasons, because yeah, I don't even know some of those reasons, but yeah, it was somehow much more interesting. I have a new concept for the channel. Yeah, I'm super excited. I have to say I'm super excited about all the things that are to come that I have planned. And yeah, but anyways, let's start here at the concept. Jamaican Tales is going to be more or less the core of this channel. So it's no longer going to be Oshando Johnson travel vlogs and tips, it's going to be Germaican Tales. That means that the videos that I'll make will be mostly about life in Germany. This is more or less the picture for the banner. You see different parts of it based on the type of device that you're on. Far left side of it is kind of to summarize the why do I keep mixing up journey and German? So the far left side of the picture is to summarize my journey. Packed up my bags, flew to Germany to do my master's, and this was a foundation for me to travel the world. But ultimately the main reason I travel is just so that I can eat ice cream. So yeah, OJ from Jamaica and Germany travels the world. New videos every week. This is a bold statement. Me putting this on the banner is more or less a promise to you guys, and also a challenge for myself to keep going and to make sure that I continuously provide you guys with content. So that's kind of the banner, and that's kind of what it represents. And the question then is, what happens to the travel content? Do I stop traveling altogether? Of course not. One of my goals in life is to go to every single country on this planet. I'm almost at 80 countries now. The main reason I want to visit these countries is to discover the cultures, to experience these cultures for myself, to make my own perceptions and my own opinions about these places, and to more or less hear what people have to say about their own country and so on, because that can be sometimes the complete opposite to what you hear in the media. I want to share that with you guys. How I've been doing it is not the way that it should have been done, because I was just like showing you what I did in these countries, what I saw in these countries, and most times just showing you the tourist attractions, which is not the way I travel, and it's not the reason that I travel. So I'm changing that to focus more on the culture. I'm going to use the travel content that I have to talk more about these cultural differences and these cultural similarities. Going to, let's say, Peru, what are the cultural shocks? What are the cultural differences? What are the cultural similarities? The reason that I came to Germany was because I wanted to learn a new language. I wanted to experience a new culture. And I think I've said that sentence at least 1,000,000 times in my videos before. And that's also the reason that I travel. Well, not necessarily to learn a new language every time that I travel, but to discover new cultures. I want the channel to be more or less this place where all these different cultures mix together, and we just We look at the different ways that we're similar, but also the ways that we're different, and we just come together. Yeah, that's the bigger mission of the channel now. On this note, I also want to thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Thank you so much for the comments, for the likes, for the people that have subscribed to my channel. I do this because it's fun, but I also do it for you guys, and it's really good when I get your feedback. In that same breath, I want to encourage you guys to just keep commenting. I mean, if you guys agree with what I say, if you don't agree, leave a comment. It doesn't matter, because I like hearing from you guys. I don't want my videos to just be a monologue. I'm not an expert of anything really. I'm just an enthusiast about culture. I want to have that dialogue with you guys, and again, it helps the channel. So please don't be shy to comment. Let's keep the conversation going even after the videos. And here's the first task. I mean, I've just shared with you a new concept. You've seen the new banner. Let me know in the comments. What do you think about the new banner? What do you think about the new concept? If you have suggestions, if you have ways that I can make the idea even better, or if you have ideas about videos that I can make or I should make, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you in the next Jamaican Tales video.